Hello, sweet love, and welcome to this meditation. Thank you for choosing you today. If you haven't done so yet, I invite you to find a comfortable position and to start looking around in your space. What is with you here? What can you notice? If it feels safe for you, you can now softly close your eyes and turn inwards. Otherwise, keeping a gentle gaze on a point in front of you. Let us start here by taking a few deep in and out breaths. Breathing in through your nose, allowing your belly to expand, coming forward and out. And exhaling out through the mouth, a sigh. You can do that a couple of times at your own pace. In through the nose, expand. And out through the mouth, release. Sighing out anything that you do not need right now. Then continuing deep in and out breaths through your nose. And while you do so, I invite you to find a gentle tapping beneath your collarbones, with your fingertips around your heart space. As today we will invite this energy of life and passion into our space, into our bodies. And while you tap here, becoming aware of that vast life force inside you, the space that always supports you, continuously renewing your cells, creating new life. And sweet love, you are not separate from this powerful space. This space is you. You are the creator, you are the energy, you are. You always carry this with you as a part of you. And sometimes, yes, we forget. We don't feel this way, we might be tired. But let this serve as a reminder that you can always tap into this energy. That you can always come home to this fire that is inside of you. Your inner light, your inner sun, your inner fire. And softly stop tapping and rest your hands on your heart. Becoming aware of the energy that you are creating here. The energies that you are waking up inside of you. And you allow them to rise up. And you feel them rising up from the ground. Visualizing how the fire of the inner earth is making its way, layer through layer, to get to you. And you can either keep your hands on your heart here, or gently resting them elsewhere. And then with every in-breath, feel how this inner earth energy is coming your way. And with your exhale, allow it to travel to every single cell of your body. Inhale, taking all that energy in that you need. And exhale, spread it out through every cell. Inhale, let it travel all the way up from your root to your heart. And exhale, letting your heart spread this energy, this love, this creation. And maybe you now imagine this energy as an orange golden sun inside your belly and chest, your heart space. And feel how this energy is becoming bigger and bigger. The light brighter and brighter. Until it slowly starts shining out of your body, allowing you to shine, allowing yourself to be seen, allowing yourself to take up space here. Observe yourself radiating, shining all that energy outwards. As you feel all the energy coming in. Because you deserve it, sweet love. You bring so much joy and light and love into this world, and it wants to be seen. It wants to be shared. Your light is a gift to this world. You are a gift to this world. Now taking some last deep in and out breaths here. Bathing the world in your inner light. Nurturing all in and outside of you. All creations that await you. All of you that wants to be seen. And with your following breath, I invite you to breathe in 3 sips of air through your nose and exhaling out through the mouth with a sigh. Doing that 3 more times in 3 steps. Inhale energy, inhale joy, inhale gratitude. Exhale, sigh, and spread it out. Inhale energy, joy, and gratitude. Exhale, sigh, and spread it out. Last one. Inhale energy, joy, and gratitude. Exhale, sigh, and spread it out. Now softly releasing this breath into your natural breathing pattern. Perhaps feeling these tingles of joy and light inside of you. Once more, bringing your hands to your heart. And on your exhale, lowering your chin towards your chest. Now your following inhale, you may flutter your eyes back open, observing yourself, thanking yourself. You showed up today, sweet love. You did it, and more magic awaits you. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly bring your head back to center and become aware again of the space that you are in. It would mean the absolute world to us if you would take just a second to like and subscribe and comment what you think about this meditation, perhaps sharing it with a loved one. You make such a difference, sweet love. And until next time.